Hello, welcome back to my channel. I don't normally look like this, but today I'm going to be filming a video about doing your makeup according to your zodiac sign. It's definitely not something that I normally will do. Like, this is completely out of my comfort zone. I am a neutrals and pinks and whites and tans and browns. Like, I don't wear stuff like this, and I typically don't walk around with an M on my forehead. My zodiac sign is Scorpio. And so today I did my makeup like that. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my skincare routine and moisturize and prep my face and everything. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start off by doing my base, and we're gonna start off by doing the concealer using the Jeffree Star concealer. I love this. This is way too light for my skin, but honestly, like, it doesn't matter because I put it underneath my foundation. And then my foundation that I use is the Tarte Amazonian Clay. It is my ride or die, my holy grail foundation. It covers everything. You guys are gonna see in a minute. It is the best ever. So I'm gonna look down here to do my makeup because that's where my mirror is. But I mean, you guys know how to apply concealer at this point. You're just gonna put it underneath your eyes, right like this, just to brighten everything up. I like to put it around my smile and in the middle of my face also. So I'm just blending everything out right now, and then I'm gonna apply my foundation after that. The way that I do my makeup, I don't really follow like any rules. I kind of just put stuff like wherever I think it should go. Then I go ahead and put my foundation kind of on this part of my cheeks just for like some extra coverage, up here on my forehead. And I kind of just leave the under eye with the concealer just so it's brightened. I just go in with this contour. I don't even know if it's a contour, honestly. It might be a bronzer. I think it's called Sun and Fun bronzer, but basically I just go in. Like, I'm not a professional makeup artist, guys, but this is just how I do my makeup. Like, I don't know if this is right at all. Put some on my forehead, you know, put some on my nose, and then put some right here to chisel out the jawline, and then just blend. Next, I go in and do my brows, and I just use this Brow Stylist Frame and Set by L'Oreal. I'm gonna go ahead and do that too. The way that I do my eyebrows is I kind of just do a line underneath here, take it up and kind of make an arch, going up, bringing it all to a nice little point at the end there. Then I just kind of flick it up like that to create the hair-like strokes. But that's basically how I do the general shape of my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera. Okay, so now that my base is all done, we can get into the fun stuff, which is why you guys are here anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and do a Scorpio look. I don't know if I necessarily fit what they say a Scorpio should look like. Everything that they say about a Scorpio is kind of all dark and mysterious and spooky, and I'm kind of all pink and glitter and sunshine, so I'm not really sure if I fit the physical traits or anything like that. But okay, here's what they say. Scorpios are passionate, mysterious, creative, and intense, and we are suspicious, hot-tempered, cunning, and moody. So I was thinking along those lines, like I could create some kind of a look that is creative, a little bit intense, mysterious. Also, Scorpio's color is apparently red. So I was thinking maybe I could do like some black and red, kind of a smoky look. That's kind of what we're gonna be going for today. I'm gonna be starting out with the Profusion Starlet palette. It looks really cute. I just got this, and it has some black colors and some like pink glittery colors. So maybe with like the purples and blacks, we can create some kind of spooky, mysterious Scorpio look. I think maybe we'll start off with this shade. It's called Antique, and I'm just gonna put this right here as kind of the base color. I'm gonna set that down. I don't know why I was still holding the palette. I do not need to be still holding it. Wow, this is so much color. I am usually so basic, honestly. I am someone who does not stray from neutral colors. So this will be really fun seeing me with like purple and black eyeshadow. So I'm trying to make this like dark and spooky and scary, but honestly I'm having a really hard time because that's just not in my personality at all. I think I'm just gonna go right in with this bright purple sparkly shade. This color is called Slay. We're gonna put it right there. Yeah, that's more my speed. Okay, here we go. Next, I'm gonna go in with the color Witchy, this black color, and I'm just gonna put that on up into like where a wing will go. Guys, I like don't know what I'm doing, honestly. I feel like this looks so bad. This is why I stick to my tans and neutrals, because you can't mess up this bad. But I'm just gonna keep going. The show must go on. We're gonna go in and like make it a little bit more pinky because like there's a lot of purple going on, and they said Scorpio was red. So I think what I'm gonna do is put some of this pink glitter on top of the purple and like bring back some of the red color. So I'm gonna just kind of go in on the middle. Look how bright that is. Oh my god, okay. That's really pretty. I'm gonna finish up this eyeshadow portion by going in and just highlighting the inner corners with a little sparkle. This whole thing is honestly sparkles, but I really don't care. And then after that, I'm going to go in and try to do graphic liner going around the eyeshadow portion. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. liner. I just got it. Oh my god, open. I honestly don't know why I'm trying to film a makeup video right now because I don't do eyeliner or like colorful eyeshadow ever. But you know, we're just doing this for fun, honestly. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. black eyeliner and I'm gonna try to do graphic liner. So, how do you do graphic liner? You probably just like start with regular liner, right? Okay, so I'm using this picture here as kind of a guide for how I'm gonna be doing this. And it looks like she kind of just went like that. Oh, that's not right. Okay, we're gonna try to fix that. Like that. Yeah, I feel like that looks good, kind of. I'm gonna try to like bring them like somewhat close together. Okay, so I'm not living for this eyeliner because it is taking forever to dry and I'm currently sitting here like fanning myself. At the end of the day, I got like something that looks kind of good with this little graphic liner situation going on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera to match and hopefully create something that looks similar, and I will be back in 1 second. Okay, so I've come up with something that kind of looks decent, I think. I mean, this is kind of spooky, I would say. Honestly, this eyeliner has been so difficult to use. I'm gonna go back in and kind of brighten up some of the colors because they kind of got a little bit faded while I was doing the liner portion. So I'm just gonna go back in with this pink and purple color called Queen and Slay. Just mixing the two of them and putting that right on top to bring back some of the brightness. That looks cute. I'm also gonna go in and touch up the inner corners a little bit, and I'm using the color Stardust. Cute. Okay, so on the picture, she also has an M in the middle of her forehead, and M is the symbol for Scorpio. So I'm gonna try to do that as well. I think that'll kind of tie everything together. And then I'll go ahead and do kind of some finishing touches, some blush, lipstick, and then I think we'll have everything all together. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, with this trash eyeliner, I'm gonna try to draw an M in the middle of my forehead. Okay, I'm actually scared to go right in with the black, so I'm honestly just gonna go in with my Kylie lip liner and kind of draw like a little tracing so that I have a guideline for when I finally do use the black. Okay, so I've kind of just drawn a little outline of an M, and now I'm going to trace over it with this black. Fingers crossed that it turns out okay. Kind of like, oh, this is tricky. I'm doing it off camera, sorry.
3 hours later.
Okay, so about 1.5 million years later, I finally got this little M on my head. I think it looks okay for what I was working with. Guys, do not get this eyeliner, it is so bad. But I'm just gonna go ahead in and use some mascara primer and go ahead and do my mascara and hope that that just kind of ties everything together and see where we go from there. So for my mascara primer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Base, and then I'm going to go in and use this. I use drugstore mascara, guys, I don't know, but Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express. So I use literally the cheapest stuff that I can find at the drugstore. It works for me, and I don't do lashes because I don't know how to apply them. So welcome to my attempt at a makeup tutorial. I don't even know how to do makeup myself, but it's fine. So I just went ahead and actually added just a little bit more depth right here on the outer corners and underneath my eyes, and I think that the eye look is honestly all complete now, so I'm very excited. I think it turned out really cute. So I'm gonna be doing my lips the same way I do them every single day with my Kylie Jenner lip liner, and I'm gonna start by overlining my lips on the bottom and on the top. And then once I have everything lined, I'm gonna go in and go over it with this color, which is Black Cherry from Milani. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish outlining. So I just took my headband out because I realized I've had it in this whole time and I don't need it anymore. But I'm gonna go ahead and I am fully lined now. So I'm gonna go in with this deep purple color to tie the look together. Okay, and this is the finished look. I think it looks really cute. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!